Hello, my name is Mohammed Hassan. I'm the CEO and founder of Lotlist. Lotlist is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers. We are currently in the launch-up program of Faster Capital, in which Faster Capital is willing to connect us with interested investors in order to scale our business. We are currently hoping to raise $200,000 from Faster Capital in order to get our business going. And Faster Capital has been very helpful in terms of our pitch deck, our business plan, and the follow-up is really amazing and tremendous. And we are happy to say working with Faster Capital is really a very good approach in terms of raising funds. And we hope it gets better and much more successful. Thank you very much.